Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie and in this video we are going to be doing another letter with me video. But this time I have a few different pens because I decided that it would be fun to do some quotes. So I have a few different pens to lay out some different styles of lettering, and then I cut down my paper so that I won't have to use a whole sheet of paper, so that I can have each quote on its own separate piece of paper. You don't have to do that. Feel free to just pile these all on one sheet of paper if you would like, but I thought that this would work well for today. And you will see kind of a lot of print lettering mixed in with calligraphy or brush lettering in this video. So I hope that this gives you some ideas, some inspiration of how to lay out your wording, how to lay out phrases, and just playing around with different ways to add a little bit of creativity to your hand lettering practice. So I will have the prompts on the screen here for you, and you can go ahead and practice with me in real time. If you want to practice daily, you can come back to this video and practice daily if you'd like. I hope that this is really helpful for you in growing your hand lettering skills and just finding a fun way to practice. I know that it can be hard to think of quotes or think of words to practice, so my hope is that this is fun for you to just enjoy hand lettering practice, not stress too much, it's just practice. You will see that I'm using quite a few different pens throughout this. I will do my best to link those pens in the description box below and let you know which quote they were for. A lot of these pens and markers that I'm using in this video are favorites of mine. I had just a few favorites on my desk from videos that I had just finished filming not too long before this one, and so I'm using a lot that I just really enjoy. But that being said, you don't have to switch your pens when I am. I was just kind of trying to use pens that I thought would work well with the layout that I was trying to do, but you can totally just use the same brush pen throughout the entire thing. You don't even have to use a brush pen if you are just wanting to practice letter formation. You can even use a pencil, a ballpoint pen, you can use whatever you have. So this isn't meant to be like you creating the exact same thing that I am if you don't want it to be. It is definitely just for us to practice and get that practice time in. And this video is, I see, almost about 10 minutes of practice. So I think that sometimes it can feel like we need to do like a huge amount of practice every single day, but it doesn't have to be like that. Even just a few minutes of practice is still practice. And I think practice is probably one of the very most important things when it comes to growing any new skill probably, but specifically in my case, hand lettering, is just that consistent practice. And so I hope that this helps you practice that way, but please don't let it stress you out. I never want to stress anybody out when it comes to hand lettering. In my own case, I want my hand lettering or my art, other hobbies that I do, to feel like fun and relaxing, and not something that like I have to do, but something that I want to do. Sometimes I specifically need to schedule in that practice time because I don't always find it for myself if I don't schedule it, or if I don't like make up my mind that I will do this every day. So I know the struggle of not finding time to practice, but I hope that even just a few minutes is helpful for you. I tried to think of some positive, encouraging quotes that I thought would be great to use while practicing hand lettering. If you have special quotes that you like to letter often or special phrases, let me know in the comments below. I know I tend to go back to the same things over and over. It is hard for me to come up with new things. That's why I write a lot of thank you and grateful, and I just really love lettering those words as well. And so I try to kind of think outside the box with this one, but let me know if you have a specific like go-to quote or phrase or word that you letter often. Anyway, there is still plenty of lettering practice left in this video, but I won't chat through the whole thing. I hope this is helpful for you. Make sure if you are not already subscribed to do that. I was trying to do these videos weekly, and then during the summer I took a vacation and got a little bit behind, but I think that these are truly helpful, so I will keep sharing them, whether it's weekly or just occasionally. But I will make a playlist that you can check out with all the Letter With Me videos, so if you want to just run through those as you practice, I hope that that can help take some of the stress out of your lettering practice and allow you to just enjoy the process a little bit more. So I will link that playlist in the description box below, but also make sure to subscribe if you are not already so that you can see when I post new videos. If you have not already, make sure to check out my free 7-day hand lettering mini course. You can find that linked below or at howtohandletter.com/mini course. You can also follow me over on Instagram at howtohandletter. I hope you have a great time practicing your hand lettering, and I will see you in my next one.